accusing your government of negligence leading to the Muzaffarnagar riots. You don't even have the moral position today, Madhukar Jaitley, to raise the secularism card once again. You have been held guilty for riots. Who are you to be part of a secular arrangement, Mr. Jaitley? Your response, please.
Mr. Goswami,
Yes.
I think you have selectively read the judgment of the Supreme Court.
Certainly not.
And I think you owe an apology. You have, because in the judgment of the Supreme Court, nowhere has the Supreme Court criticized the role of the state government in doing whatever it should do, and in the aftermath of the riots.
Certainly not.
All that
it has been held
certainly not.
No, I can.
You have not read the Supreme Court judgment.
It has
technically you have got
off,
but not in reality.
I am on record.
In reality, you have not got off.
on record saying it has no. I have read the judgment.
Shahid Siddiqui, by the way, okay, Shahid Siddiqui and Madhukar Jaitley on this debate.
No, it has not. It has not.
If there is any change, your government would have resigned. It's the most communal government.
No.
UP has seen in last so many
decades. The same is that the people on the panel should apologize on the people of the country because they have been
Who should apologize?
Against the state government.
Who should apologize?
What government?
You should apologize, Mr. Jaitley.
No, panel people to apologize.
Let me complete.
Why you will have bar dancers in Sefai, and we should apologize. You want bar dancers in Sefai?
No. The point is that the Supreme Court has
said should apologize to the whole nation
that against all those people who have been not charged under the National Security Act, their bail should be cancelled and they should be immediately arrested. And out of them, there are 3 BJP members of the Legislative Assembly, 1 member of the Bahujan Samaj Party, and they should be immediately arrested. And the BJP has given ticket to one of those.
Watch it.
But why don't you arrest? You have not arrested those who are responsible for the rape, for the killings. You have not arrested them.
The state
you are playing double card. You are playing Hindu card, Muslim card, all
kinds of my question today is in this context. Madhukar Jaitley, watch it. Mr. Jaitley, calm down. Mr. Jaitley, you see, my intention of asking that question was not to provoke you. Though sometimes I understand that you can get provoked with the directness of the question. My intention was simply to bring into effect, like I said, Rahul Gandhi called left a dead ideology, now you go with a begging bowl. So there's a contradiction there. Similarly, you want to preach secularism at the center. But by the way, Mr. Jaitley, if I quote to you a part of the Supreme Court judgment which holds the state government responsible, will you apologize? I will now quote. Will you apologize?
No.
You want to? Okay. Anyway, let me read it out.
Can I interrupt for a moment?
No. Let me read it out.
Can I interrupt for a moment before you?
I will read out from the judgment now.
Let me interrupt.
I will now read from the Supreme Court judgment.
That is not the conclusive judgment. That is not the conclusive.
Oh, so you question the judgment?
It is merely a prima facie. It is merely a prima facie. It is merely a prima facie finding.
It's not conclusive.
See, my question is simply this.
No,
now,
Mr.
Jaitley, you tried the trick.
Supreme Court has said
Mr. Madhukar Jaitley, Mr. Madhukar Jaitley, Mr. Jaitley,
the same should not be repeated.
Mr. Jaitley, I'll tell you one thing. Mr. Jaitley, I'll tell you. This is a standard political trick. When a journalist asks you a question, you try the trick. You try this trick on other news channels, not on Times Now. On Times Now, you will have, I know my facts, right? You try this stunt of saying that, oh, you apologize, you got your facts wrong. I have every fact right. I want to ask you whether you will apologize tonight, because I will now read from the Supreme Court judgment, which said...
I will not.
Well, let me read from the Supreme Court judgment. If despite that you will not apologize, that's fine. But before you raise the secularism card at the center, ask yourself what secularism you've been doing in your own state. It says, had the central and state intelligence agencies smelled the problems in advance and alerted the district administration, the unfortunate incidents could have been prevented. Thus, we prima facie hold the state government responsible for being negligent at an initial stage in not anticipating the communal violence and for not taking necessary steps for its prevention. Finally, we reiterate that it is the responsibility of the state administration and along with the intelligence agencies of the state and the center to prevent the recurrence of communal violence in any part of the center. You want me to read out more?
Absolutely right.
You want to pull out the secular card?
You want me to read? Can you read out the last paragraph? Can you read out the last paragraph?
You want me to read out the parts you want?
You go to the last paragraph of the judgment and what does it say?
Oh, please.
Don't read out the judgment selectively.
Mr. Jaitley,
please don't mislead the people of this country. I have also read the whole judgment.
Mr. Jaitley, I know the judgment is embarrassing for you, but it's a reality. You say, I didn't write it, the Supreme Court judgment. Now, Tasneem Ahmad Rahmani. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani, President.
You are actually spreading, no.
Okay, Piyush Goyal wants to come back to the debate. One second. Piyush Goyal, yes.
Arnab, you missed, while you read out the judgment, you also read out that the governments at the center and the state have been blamed. The fact is the government at the center is so incompetent. Their home minister has completely failed to protect the country's interests. The home minister does not know what is happening under his nose, and the fact is the intelligence agencies are fighting amongst themselves between investigative and intelligence agencies. I don't think there is a government at the center. The government at the center and the state are both equally responsible for the happenings of Muzaffarnagar. The state
that the bail should be cancelled of all the BJP MLAs.
I think some people should have some patience.
They are accused guilty.
This gentleman has no patience.
Of inciting
Arnab, you will have to
Mr.
control.
Mr. Jaitley, 1 minute.
You will
I'll
have
come
to
to you.
control
Yes,
this gentleman.
complete your
He does
point.
not seem to have any patience. My point is, the state government has selectively filed cases. The real culprits behind the riots have been protected and shielded by the state government. The state government is squarely responsible for what has happened, and I think the centre should have taken strict action
Mr. Piyush Goyal.
in the matter. I think this bogey of secularism,
Mr. Goyal.
whether it is the Congress, Samajwadi, left, they have all used this
Mr. Goyal.
for divisive vote bank politics. Now is the time we have to look at India first.
Mr. Goyal,
And that is the
Mr.
promise
Goyal,
that
Mr.
Modi
Goyal, India
holds
first is
out for
fine.
this nation.
No, India first is fine. You give tickets to contest 2014 Lok Sabha elections to Kunwar Bharatendu Singh, Sanjeev Balia and Hukum Singh, who are all Muzaffarnagar riots accused. I am asking you, by giving tickets to riot accused, how is it India first? What is, please tell me, how does giving tickets to riot
Because
accused
the riot
come under
the
India
real-
first?
Arnab, the real riot accused were never taken to the dock.
Who decides?
And false cases were instituted
they have been
against
booked.
the people.
These people are booked.
Well, that's the
How do you pass
administration.
judgment on that?
This is a state. This is a state where absolute lawlessness prevails,
No,
and
but-
the entire district administration and the police forces are under threat of the government. Their
That is
ministers
your
threaten the
your view.
Police and
I
the
can
administration,
say you
which is on record.
No,
which
that
is on
doesn't
record.
that does not mean are you saying Kunwar Bhartendu Singh, Sanjeev Balia and Hukum Singh are innocent? Are you saying they are innocent?
Yes, of course I'm saying that.
So they are innocent because
I'm
you
of
say
course
they are
saying
innocent.
that because they did not instigate. There is not a shred of evidence that has been.
That is your
alluded
view.
to in any
You
of
are a
the,
BJP
papers
leader.
filed
That
in
is
the
your
court.
view.
And
All
that
three
is
of
the reason you get them and
all
honor
three
them
of them
and
had
give them
nothing to
tickets
do with
before
what
they are
happened.
proved innocent.
It was.
Oh,
Yes, it was.
What double standards
It was an
Mr. Piyush
incident
Goyal?
that happened between two
What double
families,
standards?
which was
you
played
get
up
them
by
onto
the
the stage, you
Samajwadi
honor
Party
them and you
leadership,
give them tickets,
which
and now you say
aggravated
that they
into
are
the
innocent.
riots. The BJP leaders
Nobody
had
will
nothing
believe
to do
you.
with it.
Nobody. This is
Like saying my criminal
absolutely
is better
falsehood
than
you're
your
talking.
criminal.
Well, the people,
That won't
the
work.
people believers and the people's vote will demonstrate to you whom they believe and whom they do not
Let me
believe.
get you one case which
Which
has
is why
been
you have
proved
to
and which you
scuttle
should
around.
accept. Let us discuss the state case from your own model state from Gujarat about Mayaben Kodandi. Now basically that has been proved and upheld by the courts, and I know for sure that no lady in India can be so ruthless to order the murder of women and children. In that case, why she has become suicidal? What is the pressure you are putting on her not to come out with the true facts? Why she has become suicidal and she is under electric therapy? You should answer that. It is from
What
your
are you
own model
suggesting?
state. And she has been proved guilty.
Well,
I am
you
suggesting
should-
the
you should
bigger
appreciate-
conspiracy behind that
you should
lady.
appreciate that my government-
No lady can do such a crime. No lady from Indian culture can do a crime what has been proved there. So under whose orders has she done that? That needs to be investigated, and that you should come out clean for.
Well, I think you may make stories in the air, but the fact is Gujarat
No,
is
there
the
is no
only
story.
state
It's a fact.
where,
It is
where
a fact
justice
that
has
today
gone
she
to
has
its
become
logical
suicidal.
end.
It is a fact
No
that
other-
she is under electric treatment.
no other
It is a fact
riots
that
in
she is not
India.
interested in her life anymore. If
No.
she was such a strong lady, why will she become a psychological wreck? You should answer that. It is from your model state. It is from the place where you talk of law and order.
no other state in India has taken justice as seriously and to its logical end as Gujarat has. Your own
That is
state,
justice.
no riot
Killing
investigation
innocents,
has ever gone to its
murdering
logical end.
women. Is that
In the
justice, Mr.
center-
Piyush Goyal? I'm
in
surprised
the-
at your statement.
Okay, now
Is that
Taslim
justice?
Ahmad Rahmani,
Is
my
that justice when the
Taslim
rape
Ahmad
accused
Rahmani
is
of
justice
the
and you
Muslim
will
Political
find
Council of
justice?
India.
Is it justice where your cases are taken out of your state by the Supreme
Dr.
Court?
Taslim Ahmad Rahmani, 1 minute.
5006.
My next question is to Dr. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani.
5006 were killed under the rule of Congress, and not one case has been taken forward. The Congress double standard is exposed with the way they have handled the Sikh riots, with the way they butchered the Sikhs of Delhi.
In that
and not
also,
one of
it is
their leaders
RSS
has been
cadre
brought
which was
to trial.
involved. It was.
The
Let us not
Congress
discuss
double
all that.
standard over the years.
You answer me
is
the
for
question I have
everyone
put
to
Piyush
you.
Goyal, Piyush Goyal and Madhukar Jetli, a minute please.
Their own leader-
My next question,
On a convicted
my
case.
next question is to Taslim Ahmad Rahmani. Taslim Ahmad Rahmani ji, all the secular front talk is okay, but consider it very practically. 1 minute, consider it. Is secularism relevant? You know, AIDMK and CPM came together. They've already split in Tamil Nadu. The LDF has already lost in Kerala, the Revolutionary Socialist Party. There's been another split. If you cannot maintain a state level alliance, can you maintain a national alliance in the name of secularism? My question to you, Mr. Rahmani.